All right, I am currently trying to get Solidus at least bundle updating on Rails 6 right now. It's not the most exciting job, but it's sort of a test stream to make sure my streaming setup's actually working and that everything's good. Currently, I just looking through the dependencies for the ones that have gem specs that prevent them from bundle updating to Rails 6. Obviously, just bumping the gem specs is potentially going to cause issues with those gems if they don't actually support Rails 6, but getting this thing bundle updating so we can sort of get an idea of where we're at is sort of the first step. So it says less than 5.3. I'm just going to do the laziest thing. So that's going to quit stopping us. So imagine a backend. No, mind. I'm just going to do the lazy thing here. Whatever. Okay, point that there. Bundle update again. Okay, so we still got a whole bunch of issues. Those all look fine. It's hard to see what the actual issues are right now. A lot of things that just look like they're satisfied to me. Hey Hoff, you want to tell me what's wrong with what I need to fix? Oh, no, it still says, why does it still say that? Oh, because I didn't push. That's why. Derp, forgot to push. No. Oh, it's working. Shh, 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 shh. Yes, that would be really handy, Andrew. Okay. And try again. Oh, there we go. Yeah, if I was running into more trouble, I probably would pull out bundle or explain, but it looks like I've gotten as far as bundle updating, even though it was commenting out some things and hacking awesome nested set to pretend it supports Rails 6. Is my audio quality, video quality stuff fine, guys? Something like installing Nokogiri. All right. Let's try and run core specs. See, oh, query. That's of course going to fail. Where's that? Spree core. Paranoia. So I removed paranoia. Paranoia is going to be removed in Solidus 3, but it's not clear whether Rails 6 is going to mean we're bumping to Solidus. Of course, I can't just remove that. And we had a few paranoid things, didn't we? Paranoia has been is basically deprecated, though the gem says it's still accepting Rails support pull requests. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm just using the mic in my QC35s. I don't have a better mic yet. I will probably get one, but okay. Okay. Well, that's not how you spell things. This can just be an after destroy now, because destroys are real destroys. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. I don't urgently need to pick up a new mic, because I was thinking that I wasn't expecting the audio on this headset to be that good. I've sort of found it to be kind of mixed, especially phone calls and stuff have been not amazing. I know I've had trouble with people being able to hear me. So, looks like we've got tests actually running. Lots of them are failing, which is to be expected. Got some deprecations. Stuff that's going to be moved to 6.1. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as paranoia goes. The safest thing to do would be to get it running, but I have a sneaking suspicion that the maintainer of it in the chat right now doesn't want to do that, and I don't really want to do it either. So we'll see if that pushes us towards this being the Solidus 3 bump. So I'm just going to let these tests run. I'm going to, once the tests have run, I'll just sort of look through the output and see what the big issues are, just as far as getting the, I'll just look at what the most common issues are. The other way I could approach this is actually trying to get a store running, and then see what the immediate issues are there. But either way, there's going to be presumably a decent amount of stuff to fix. So. Watching specs run is definitely the most exciting thing I could possibly be casting right now. I'll probably only cast for another maybe 10 minutes. I have a bunch of other stuff I need to do tonight, so unfortunately this is largely just a test cast and also an exercise to kick me in the ass to get actually working on this stuff and trying out streaming. All right, so what was we have a lot of failures, yes. With undefined, okay, with deleted is So around half the test suite is failing. Almost exactly half the test suite is failing, actually. Oh, not exactly half, but close enough. And so, yes, so with deleted is provided by paranoia. So that's entirely unsurprising that I just have mountains of that error. So I imagine there are a bunch of scopes that are using it. Yeah. Don't need you. I might be able to. How many are there? There aren't enough for me to bother. I'll just remove them all. Just ignore that for now. There we go. See, fixed forever. Yeah. The audio quality on the music is fine. Volume's okay. Well, this is a lot more green. That's a good start. Just got the ambient station on Pretzel to. Yeah. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any stream-friendly black metal to play to make everyone not want to listen to my stream. Okay. Yeah, it was. I mean, that's where the levels look like they're at. So, put it down, maybe. Oops. I mean, look at all these passing specs. We're basically done, right? Let's see. I'm going to call it at 8:45. So we'll see. I don't actually know how long the core test suite takes to run roughly. I haven't done any work directly on Solidus in well, since before I got a much faster computer. So I was just setting it back up again before I started the stream. This is not a huge amount of failures, which is nice. Curious as to see what the bulk of these remaining failures are. Yeah, I might have to do something more exciting than stare at specs running on my next stream. It hadn't occurred to me that, I mean, I guess once I start digging into individual issues, this will speed up. So I guess this is fine as a test stream. Updated attributes. What's updated attributes? Oh, okay, update attributes. That makes more sense. Yeah, hopefully I can generate some quick, easy PRs that we can merge into master regardless of Rails 6 support, fixing as much as we can before Rails 6 gets finalized and everything. Because as much of that cleanup can go into, even 281 or whatever we decide to do would be good. It's possible at least fixing some of the deprecations could get in earlier before we do any major work to support Rails 6. Oh wow, there are people here who aren't Andrew and Hoth. Hello viewers. Welcome to watching me run these tests. Maybe they'll finish soon and I'll be able to do something else. Making sure I stay hydrated. There we go. All right, so really destroy. Yeah, so just more so much more paranoia stuff. Paranoia destroy, really destroy. Some actual errors. It's not even having errors. 40 errors? Wow. At least as far as core goes, this might be a really easy upgrade. So what is this doing? Oh, I see. What were all supposed to have been deprecated? Oh, they say removal in Solidus 3, right? Create adjustment spec. What's going on here? Undefined methods. This created item there's a bunch of them. Custom return spec. Let's go look at that one. So there's not actually a call to, so it's the calls to, I see. Well, that's fine, because how many of these are there? This is not a real test that we care about. Okay, I fixed all of those. Those paranoia notifications, I'm just going to oops. Why did I even try to do that? Pretty sure those shouldn't get called anymore. Guess that paranoia destroy. So not a real thing. Not a real thing. Okay. Man, I don't want to rerun all the specs. There's only 40 of them. Let's see. Ooh. Our spec only failures, that'll come in handy. But I'm sure I just fixed it. Well, we're after the time that I said I was going to call it at, so unfortunately I have a bunch of other stuff to do that is, I don't know whether it's more or less fun than what I'm doing right now, but I can't stream it, so it is what it is. Thank you all, however many 4 people that decided to come to my stream, especially those of you that are just random people, and catch you later.